Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're here, you're likely a health and fitness enthusiast. Today, we're exploring one of the cornerstones of optimal health and wellness, the balanced diet. You've probably heard the term balanced diet before, but have you ever wondered what it really entails and how it fuels your workout performance and recovery? Today we're going to dive into these questions, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your balanced nutrition plan. So, let's start at the beginning. A balanced diet is all about consuming a variety of foods in the right proportions to ingest the essential nutrients our body needs. These nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. Each nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining our overall health and wellness. Visualize a plate. You've got lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or fish on one part, complex carbohydrates such as sweet potatoes, brown rice, or whole grain bread on another part. The remaining part should be a vibrant mix of vegetables. Sprinkle some healthy fats over the top. Think nuts, seeds, avocados, or a drizzle of olive oil. And of course, accompany this meal with a glass of water. That's a snapshot of a balanced meal. Moving on, let's explore how a balanced diet acts as a powerhouse for your fitness journey. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source. They provide the energy required for intensive workouts. They're like the gasoline for your body's engine. Proteins act as the building and repair crew for your muscles, promoting growth and strength. Fats, often misunderstood, are essential for long-term energy storage and hormone regulation, influencing everything from muscle growth to mood. Vitamins and minerals are critical for various body functions. For instance, calcium and vitamin D are necessary for bone health. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen to your muscles, and magnesium aids in muscle contractions. Fiber contributes to digestive health and provides a steady release of energy from your food, helping maintain consistent energy levels throughout your workout. And water, well, that's your body's lubricant, keeping everything running smoothly and helping manage body temperature, particularly during intense workouts. To make things interactive, here's a quick question for you. Can you list one role of protein for fitness enthusiasts? Drop your answer in the comments below. Armed with this knowledge about what constitutes a balanced diet, you might wonder how to practically apply this in your daily life. Well, fear not, because I'm here to share some actionable tips to help you maintain a balanced diet. Tip 1. Portion control. We've all heard this term, but it's important to visualize it. Your stomach is about the size of your clenched fist, so remember this when filling up your plate. Overloading your plate can lead to overeating and an imbalance in nutrient intake. Stick to serving sizes and avoid going back for seconds. Tip 2. Variety and moderation. When it comes to nutrition, diversification is critical. Try to incorporate different food groups into each meal to ensure you get a mix of nutrients. For instance, you could add a handful of nuts for protein and healthy fats, various brightly colored veggies for fiber and vitamins, and some brown rice or quinoa for your dose of complex carbs. But moderation is equally essential. Too much of a good thing can sometimes be harmful. Tip 3. Regular meals. It's important not to skip meals. When you skip meals, your body switches to survival mode, slowing your metabolism and storing more fat. On the other hand, regular meals provide your body with a steady energy supply, keeping your blood sugar levels stable and your metabolism active. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 2 small snacks each day. Tip 4. Hydrate. Water is your body's lubricant, ensuring everything runs smoothly. It also plays a critical role in nutrient transport and helps manage body temperature, particularly during intense workouts. Generally, aim for at least 2 liters, 8 cups of water per day, but this may increase based on your workout intensity and climate. Tip 5. Creative eating. Balanced eating doesn't mean you have to eat the same thing every day. It's quite the opposite. Healthy eating is about discovering new foods and recipes. Try different cooking methods to create new flavors, like roasting, grilling, steaming, or stir-frying. Mix your meal textures with crunchy salads, creamy yogurts, or fluffy quinoa. There are countless ways to make healthy foods taste great. And remember, a balanced diet isn't about strict limitations or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Instead, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and fueling your body with the right nutrients. So make small changes gradually. Over time, these small changes will become a part of your daily routine. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of balanced diets. Remember, a balanced diet is the fuel that powers your fitness journey. It's the partner you need to achieve your workout goals, whether muscle growth or faster recovery. Start incorporating these tips today, and you'll soon witness their impact on your fitness. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, you're just one workout and one meal away from becoming a healthier version of yourself. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next video.